Hey, let me show you the best features of the POCO M6 Pro. And first we are going to start from the settings, navigate into the Wi-Fi, and here we can find the network acceleration. So when you turn it on with this switcher and change the speed boost mode to the full, you will actually combine your Wi-Fi and the mobile data to boost your internet connection speed. Next, we are going for the connection and the sharing, then cast, and from here we can find the game turbo. This feature actually will increase the speed of our device when we are playing games. So we have to click on this icon and be sure that you turn on the game turbo to improve your gaming experience. Next, let's go back from this one. In this smartphone, when we scroll down and go into the battery, we can actually check which application drains the most of our battery. So here when you scroll down, you can actually see that in my case, there's like the TikTok video wallpaper. So that's actually this wallpaper that is taking a lot of battery from my phone. So if you want to save your battery, it's actually highly recommended to turn off some of these features. Also, the dynamic spot and the launcher iOS 17 is draining a lot of my battery. So if you are planning to go outside for a lot of hours without the power supply, it's recommended to turn off these apps. You can actually force them to stop or simply uninstall. Next, we can also enable the flash for the notifications. So we'll have to go to the settings, then we'll have to go into the additional settings. Now go into the accessibility, go into the hearing, and now it's not actually available here. We got this phone dialer. Click on the three dots in the right upper corner, go to the settings, and now when you go into the calling accounts, no, I cannot find it, but it was actually, sorry for this, I just messed up. Yeah, we have to go for the calling accounts, go into the incoming call settings, and here we can enable flash when ringing. So when you put your phone on the flat surface and you actually mute your phone, you will be not able to see if someone is calling you. But if you turn on the flash notifications, you will be actually get this cool notification. Also in this smartphone, we can get floating apps, floating windows. So what I mean, let me show you. Let's open some apps. And now we have to go to the background applications, click and hold for the application that we want to open in the background application. Let's do this, for example, with the Facebook and maybe Gmail. So click on it, click right here on this icon, and as you can see right now, we can use application in the floating mode. And we can actually use two apps at the same time. So take a look. I'm gonna open another one, and here we can get two apps in the floating mode. If you want to turn off these apps, you can just click here and then clean them like this. We can also go into the settings, scroll down, go into the additional settings, and we can find the memory extension. So when you select 12 gigs of the RAM, you will actually speed up your phone. As default, it's set to the 6 gigs. So yeah. Next, we can also find the heart rate monitor. You can put your finger on the fingerprint sensor that is built into the display, and now the smartphone is going to measure your heart beat rate per minute. So we have to hold it for this 15 seconds, and after this you will get correct answer for your beat rate per minute. Next, we can also find the second space. When you click just right here, you can tap to go to the second space, turn it on, and now you are going to create a like second phone. So take a look. Here I have, when I open the Play Store, for example, I will have to log in with the second account because it looks like I just create the new phone account. If I want to switch back into this first account, I have to click just right here. And I have to provide my fingerprint, and now it is switching back. Next, we can also find the transparent background application for app drawer. So we have to swipe up like this, click on the settings icon, and we got the backgrounds. So if you want to see your wallpaper, you will have to set it up like this. Click apply, and now as you can see your wallpaper when you are still on the app drawer. And that's basically it. That's the best features of the POCO M6 Pro. Right now, please subscribe to my channel and see you in the next one.